With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, the maximum covalent character is shown by which of the following? AlCl3, MgCl2, CaCl or LaCl3. Over here we are supposed to tell that which of the following would have the maximum covalent character. Right? Now covalent character can be found out with the help of Fajan's rule. Fajan's rule tells us about the covalent character of a particular bond in a molecule, right? And what does it says? It says that the greater is the charge on the cation or the anion, the greater is the covalent character, right? Why? Because if we talk about cation, the more the charge it would have, the cation would have the more polarizing power, right? If the charge on the cation is more, it would have more polarizing power, right? And what is polarizing power? It is the ability, basically it is the extent to which it can polarize, right, our anion. So in this case we can say that smaller the size of the cation or larger the size of the anion. Why? Because the greater the charge on cation, the smaller would be the size of the cation. So we can say that or smaller the size of the cation or larger the size of the anion. Why? Because if there is greater charge on anion, then its size would be larger. So larger size of anion, that means the greater would be the covalent character, right? So over here if we look at our options, chlorine is the anion, right? And anion is same in all the cases. So cation over here should have the maximum positive charge, right? If we talk about our option, first is aluminium 3 positive, right? Because chlorine would have -1 for each, right? And we have 3 chlorines, so aluminium in turn would have +3 charge. Over here we have 2 chlorines, so magnesium is present in +2 oxidation state, then cesium in +1, and then lanthanum in +3, right? So this is having +3 charge, this is having +2, +1 and +3. So these are the maximum charges over here for aluminium 3 positive and lanthanum 3 positive. Now amongst aluminium 3 positive and lanthanum 3 positive, aluminium is smaller. Why? Because it belongs to 3rd period, whereas lanthanum belongs to 6th period. So this is definitely larger in size and this is smaller in size. So for a particular molecule to be more covalent, its cation should be smaller in size, right? And over here aluminium 3 positive is the smallest amongst the all. So because this is smallest, this would have the maximum polarizing power, right? Aluminium 3 positive would have the maximum polarizing power, right? So we can say that this AlCl3, this would be maximum covalent in nature, or this would have the maximum covalent character. So if you look at our option, first is saying AlCl3, right? That is correct. MgCl2 is not correct. This is having lower charge. Cesium is +1 lower charge, and then lanthanum is in +3 but is larger in size because it belongs to 6th period, so it is also not the correct option. Our correct answer to this question is AlCl3, because over here the maximum positive charge is on aluminium or lanthanum, but lanthanum is greater, and for a particular species to be more covalent, it should have small cation, and the smaller one amongst aluminium 3 positive and lanthanum 3 positive is aluminium 3 positive. Hence our answer to this question would be first, AlCl3.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.